Welcome to Spectre Tech Solutions. After a long time, Vivo has released the new software update for Vivo Y71i. So, today in this video we will see about this update package, but wait, before that, I request you to please consider subscribing to our channel, and help us to reach 1000 subscribers. Now, let's begin. Now, I'm going to divide this video into 5 steps, so that the viewers who does not have any knowledge about the software updates, they can able to understand about the updates. Step 1. What is software update? Step 2. Cautions before updating the software. Step 3. How to download the update. Step 4. How to install the update. Step 5. Conclusion. Now, let's continue to the first step. Step 1. What is software update? A software update, which is sometimes called a software patch. An update is generally an enhancement to the current version of the software. An software update will remove the bugs or crashes, which are in your current software. So, it is necessary to update your software to the latest version. I think you got an idea about an software update. So, now let's move to step 2. Cautions before updating full software. So, before updating your software to the latest version you have to follow these steps. Those are: 1. The update does not delete or modify your usage data. 2. The system update does not occupy the phone memory space and does not affect running effect of the phone. 3. During the upgrade process the temperature of the phone will rise slightly for a short time and it will return to normal when the upgrade is completed. 4. Make sure your device has in charge above 40%. 5. Optional. Connect to your Wi-Fi to save your mobile data. So you have to follow these steps before software update. Now, let's move to next step. Step 3. How to download the update. But, before downloading the update, first let us see what's new in the update, so let me show you my mobile screen. Click on Settings. Scroll down and click on System Update. So now let us see what's new in the update. You can see here the update version changed to Vivo Y 1.70.8. The update size is 80.27 megabytes. Now let us see what is new in the system. The new release brings you improved system stability. Upgrade now. System optimized system stability to fix the issue where some apps occasionally crash. Optimized system power consumption to improve system smoothness. Now let us download the update, but in my case I have already downloaded the update, but in your case it will ask you to download, so click on download and your update package will be downloaded. Now it's time to install the update. So, step 4. How to install the update. So to install the update just click on install button, and then your update will get installed. Now you can see here, the device is turned off to install the update package. So this process may take some time, so now let's speed up the video to save your precious time. Now let's speed up this process. Here, I have totally skipped this process to save your time because it takes nearly 10 minutes to complete, so in my device the update is now successfully installed. Let's check. You can see here, the update is installed successfully in this device, so now let's move to next step. Step 5, Conclusion. This update package does not have any bugs, apps crashes have been fixed, battery drain is also fixed and the device performance has increased, so you can also install this update in your device. It is a safe process. So that is it for today guys, hope you like our video. And please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.